Hello all, welcome to ETL and Data Engineering Updates YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss type mismatches in Talend. So firstly we'll create one job j underscore type mismatch. We are creating one sample job. Okay. So we'll take one component T fixed flow input. So we will double click on this. So in the component tab, we will create schema here, two columns, ID and ID we can give string, ID we can give integer, and name second column. This is string. Okay. So click on OK. Now here I am giving two values. ID suppose 11 I am giving, and name I am giving. It works. Any name we can give. It works successfully. We can give RAM or any name we can give. Some test I am giving in name field. So this is the string, and that's it. So in the component tab, edit schema, created two fields, ID integer, name, string, and we are assigning values. Now, so T fixed flow input and second component T log row. T log row, and here row main to here T log row. So I am giving here table input. That's it. So T fixed flow input, T log row. And now here some problem is there. Here some problem is there. But how we have to find out? How we have to debug? If I run also, we can get the issue. So if you want to run, then go to the run and run button. We will see what happened. Yeah, an error occurred. Job compilation error. At least job has a compile error. Please fix and report again. Type mismatch cannot convert from string to integer. So once we run the job, then we got this error. So before running the job, if any issues are there in our code, we have to check. So for the debugging, how we have to debug? So we have to go to the code. In this code, the total designer These components can be converted to code, Java code. Here red mark is there. If you click on this one, here this is the error. So in this place the error is there. Here what type of type mismatch cannot convert from string to integer. So this is the error. Row 1 ID is equal to 11. So this is the error. Then what happened? Then we go to the designer and this component. Here, if you run this one, if you check this one, this 11, this is because this is integer. ID is integer, name is string. So ID now it's fine. Now 11 without quotes. Name it is fine. It is string. ID integer. Now we can check now. It is giving error or not. Now no errors, no red lines here. So I go to the designer and I will run this job. Okay. Yeah. Now it's ran. So here what is the output? ID name 11. It works successfully. So this is the sample job for explaining debugging in the Talend without running the job, how we have to debug through the code option. Thank you.